Today we are going to do the second experiment. The name of the experiment is called spring constant of a spring. Look at here, there is a spring, its spring constant to be found out. The symbol of the spring constant is called K. The K value, spring constant value to be found out from this experiment. Here that spring that is to be hanged in this hook, and at the bottom 100 gram weight is hanged here. The weight, initial weight which is hanged here is how much? 100 gram weight is here. Now we have to pull this 100 gram weight towards downward direction. Now after pulling, what will happen? The entire system, that one it starts oscillating. Are you clear? The mass, that weight 100 gram along with the spring, the entire thing, that one will oscillate in a to and fro motion. So when it oscillates, we have to find out the time taken for 10 oscillations. Are you clear? So two trial must be taken, trial 1 and trial 2 to be taken. First I am going to take the time period for, I am going to measure the time period for 10 oscillation. So first I have to do the trial 1, later trial 2 to be done. Are you clear? So while doing so, what we have to do now? We have to use this stop clock. Are you clear? As soon as it is pulled, once the counting starts, we have to start the stop clock. Understood? Now I am going to pull it. First you oscillate it freely. After some more time you can start counting. Now I am going to start the counting of the oscillation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now the time taken is 7 seconds. Are you clear? The time taken for 10 oscillation is how much? 7 seconds. This 7 second must be noted in the tabular column. This is trial 1. Now I am going to take the second trial. Now the stop clock is brought to 0. Now with the same 100 gram weight, I am going to take the second oscillation, second trial. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So again the time taken is how much? Time taken for 10 oscillation is 7 seconds. So in trial 1 column and trial 2 column, in both the two column, you have to substitute 7 seconds, 7 seconds. I will explain the calculation part later. Now we are going to take the second reading. Are you clear? Already what is the weight of the thing which is loaded here? 100 gram weight. I am going to add one more 50 gram along with this. Now here each is clear. Mass, its value is how much? 50 gram. Now already two masses are there. Now I am going to add the third one. So the net mass value is how much? 150 gram. Are you clear? Now the total weight hanged is how much? 150 gram. Now again the same process to be done. That stop clock that is brought to 0 now. Again first you have to oscillate it. After attaining the steady oscillations, we have to start taking the reading. Understood? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now the time taken for 10 oscillation is 9 seconds. How much? In trial 1 I have got 9 seconds. Now I am going to take the trial 2 now. Are you clear? Trial 2. Why trial 1 and trial 2 both have to be taken? In the trial 1 some error may be there. To avoid the error, we have to go for trial 2. Are you clear? Later we have to find the average. Now the clock is brought to 0 division. Again I am going to take the time taken for 10 oscillation. This is trial 2. This is for 150 gram. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again the time taken for 10 oscillation is 9 seconds. Understood? So like that what we have to do? We have to take the same kind of reading for the next successive weights. Are you clear? Already 150 gram is there. Now I am going to take the next set of reading for 200 gram weight. Understood? Now I am going to add this now. Totally 450 gram weights are there. Are you clear? Totally how many weights are there? 50 plus 50 plus 50, 450s are there. Now total weight is 200 gram. Now I am going to take the trial one for 200 gram. Are you clear? Now again you pull it gently, you oscillate the spring and the weight system. So while oscillating, you have to keep your finger down. Whenever it comes closer to your finger, you have to call it, you have to name it as 1, 2 like that. Are you clear? You have to count it as 1, 2 like that. So when the mass, when it comes closer to the finger, you can count it as 1. Are you clear? Now I am going to start counting the oscillations. In the meantime, I have to measure the time also. You have to, it's clear, count as well as you have to measure the time taken simultaneously. Understood? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now the time taken is how much? 10. Are you clear? 10 seconds. Understood? Now I am going to take the reading for which one? I am going to take the trial 2 reading for 200 gram weight. Again you have to pull it gently, and now it is oscillating gently. Now you can start measuring the time taken. Understood? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now the time taken is 10 seconds. Understood? So just I have taken 3 readings. Like that you have to take the reading for clear 6. Totally you have to take 6 readings. Already the readings are taken for 100, 150, 200, and 3 more weights are there. If it is added, you will get 250. Are you clear? If one more is added, you will get 300. If one more is added, you will get 350. Are you clear? 200, 250, 300, 350. So like that is clear. For the next successive reading, we are able to calculate the reading, and as well as is clear, we can do the calculation. So just I have taken 3 sample reading. With the help of this, you can proceed the experiment, the calculation part, and other important things that I will teach the rest of the things in the remaining part of the video. Understood? So here the name of the thing is called stop clock. To bring this, the need is a clear pointer. Are you clear? The hand of the clock to 0, this lever to be used. If you press this one, that one will be brought to 0. If you press this one, clear, towards downward direction or in the upward direction, you can operate this. Now it is 0. If you want to start the clock, this lever to be switched on in the upward direction. So it starts running. If you want to stop it, that lever, same lever, that is to be brought down. At any position, at any time, that could be stopped. That's why the name of the clock is called stop clock. Understood? Or stopwatch. Understood? Thank you.